Hi guys, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 update not installing error code KB5101650 and KB5099414. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go settings. Here little bit scroll down. Click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows update. Click on run. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Go to the services. Here you search app readiness. You can see here, right click on this, click on properties, select automatic on startup type, then click on start. Then search background intelligent transfer service. Right click on this, click on properties, select here automatic, then click on start and OK. Then search Windows Update. See here Windows Update, right click on this, click on properties, select automatic on startup type, then click on OK. After doing this, close this window, go to the command prompt, type on CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then click on yes. In this you have to type some commands. These all commands available on my video description. You can copy and paste. Copy, then paste here. Hit enter. Wait for completion. After completion, these two commands copy and paste here. After doing this, close this window. Go to the Chrome. Search here Windows Catalog. Open first option, then type here error code, then click on search. Download update as per your system requirement, then close this window. Again go to the Chrome, then search here Windows 11 download. Hit enter, select first option, then select here second option download now, click here and download and install. After doing all this method, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.